Let's start employment news weekly in details. New Delhi, 31st July 2021 to 6 August 2021. Welcome to Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. You are watching employment news of this week. On this channel, you will get employment news, current affairs and job notification. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start employment news. Video editing, the refined art of storytelling by A.V. Narayanan. Writing an impressive resume by Ruchi Misra. Job highlights are like that. Indian Navy. The Indian Navy invites online application for enrollment as sailor. Last date is 6 August 2021. Next is NTPC. NTPC Limited requires executive and senior executives. Last date 6 August 2021. Next highlight is NABARD. NABARD is full form is National Agriculture Bank of Rural and Development. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development invites application for the direct recruitment of 162 officers in grade A and B of 2021. The last date is 7 August 2021. Next is REC Department. REC Limited invites application for the various posts by 16 August 2021. We will discuss in details of all job highlights and every vacancies we will discuss in details. Let us start REC. There is an opportunity waiting for you. Career opportunity in REC Limited. Name of the post Deputy General Manager. Upper age limit is 48 years. Number of post 1. Minimum qualifications required Chartered Accountancy in Cost and Management Accountancy, and work experience should be required. Next post for Chief Manager Engineering. Number of post 2. Upper age limit is 45 years. Minimum qualifications required regular full-time Bachelor of Engineering, BTech or equivalent in electrical power, electrical and electronics power engineering, power system engineering or equivalent from a recognized institutions, and is required 15 years experience. For third post Manager Engineering. Number of post 4. Unreserved for 2. OBC, non-creamy 1 and SC, scheduled caste post number 1. So age is 42 years and essential qualification regular full-time bachelor degree in BTech or equivalents. Next post is Deputy Manager Engineering. Number of post 5. Upper age limit is 39 years. Regular full-time of BTech or BE or engineering in electrical or engineering or electricals. Next is Deputy Manager Information Technology. Number of post 1 unreserved, 39 years, regular full-time Bachelor in Engineering and BTech or equivalent on Computer Science Information Technology or equivalent. Next 6 is Assistant Manager Engineering. Number of post 5, upper age limit is 35 years, regular full-time Bachelor degree in Engineering, BTech or equivalent in electrical or electrical power. Age 5 years experience is required. Next is Assistant Manager Information Technology. Number of post 2, regular and full-time BTech. Next is Officer Secretarial. Number of post 1 unreserved, full-time BTech. Minimum experience required is 18 years in Secretarial of Senior Officer. Assistant Officer Secretarial. Number of post 2 unreserved, upper age limit is 40 and BTech with minimum 12 years experience in Secretarial of Senior Officers. Next is Assistant Officers Rajbhasha, 1 post unreserved, 40 years is limit, regular full-time master degree in Hindi with English as one of the major subjects, bachelor degree in level or equivalent. Minimum 12-year experience as related Rajbhasha translation. So friends, age is relaxations as per the government rules. So friends, if we conclude, commencement of online examinations and applications form is by 21st July 2021. So commencement of online application will start from 21st July 2021. Last date for online application and fee payment by 16 August 2021. Last date of receipt of application in hard copy along with the enclosures by 26 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next department, Ministry of Home Affairs, National Investigations Agency, New Delhi. Applications are invited for engagement of legal experts of eminence in counter-terrorism and cyber-terrorism. Applications are invited from the legal expert of eminence having investigations, prosecutions, teaching of laws, judicial and foreign services background of engagement as an expert in National Investigation Agency on contractual basis. Last date for this receipt by 10 September 2021. You have to apply, and for more details and essential qualifications, please visit its official website nia.gov.in. Next department from Government of India, Department of Atomic Energy, Nuclear Fuel Complex, ECIL post, Hyderabad. Post group and pay. The post is Technical Officer D, Mechanical Group A, unreserved, 43 vacancies are there. Technical Officer D, Mechanical Group A, gazetted, cell levels means pay level 11 or pay matrix unreserved 1. Technical Officer D, Mechanical Group A, gazetted, pay level 11 unreserved 1. Technical Officer D, Metallurgy Group A, unreserved 1. Technical Officer D, Electronics Group A, unreserved 2. And Technical Officer D, Group A, gazetted, pay level 11 unreserved 43. Now Technical Officer D, Computers, unreserved 1. So friends, educational qualifications for all is BE, BTech in Mechanical Engineering with minimum 60% marks. Experience are required as per norms. For last date of this application receipt is by 21st August 2021. For more details and educational qualifications, please visit its official website nfc.gov.in for more details. Next department is vacancy from COER board, that is the Ministry of MSME, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, Government of India. Applications are invited from the eligible candidate for filling of various posts of different categories under the COER board. The closing date of applications for the website by 15 August 2021. For more details, educational qualifications and its norms, please visit its official website coerboard.gov.in. Next department, Sahitya Academy. Name of the post, Technical Assistant. Number of vacancies are 1, reserved for OBC. Location, Head Office, Mumbai. Pay scale 6, age limit 30 years. Educational qualification, if we talk, graduation or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. Diploma in book publishing also required. For this technical assistance, for more details and its norms, please visit its official website sahityaacademy.gov.in. It is an offline mode applications. You have to download the performer from given website and send it on given address within the 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Next vacancy from National Museum of Natural History is Government of India. Name of the post is driver. Number of post is 1. Method of recruitment is deputation basis. Pay level 2. Upper age limit is not exceeding 50 years. Initial posting will be New Delhi. For driver post, please visit its official website www.moef.nic.in. It is offline mode. Within 60 days, you have to send the applications. Download from its official website and enclose all requisite document. Next vacancy from National Disaster Authority, New Delhi. Name of the post is Consultant Grade 2. It is a contractual basis. Vacancies are 1. Essential qualifications, if we talk, master degree in disaster management and related field or retired government employed with grade pay of 8,900 pre-revised level. Experience, it should be 7 years. Post experience in response and relief team operations during disasters, coordinating and managing first respond and disaster management related training and both policy and field level. Maximum age is 50 to 60 years should have. So last date for this, apply this, please visit its official website ndma.gov.in by 30 days within the publication of this advertisement in the employment news. Offline mode application is that you have to send on the given address before due date. Next is a notice from Combined Defence Services Examination 2, declaration of final results thereof. So who are appeared please visit its official website www.upsc.gov.in and check their results. Next vacancy of form National Center for Disease Control, New Delhi. It is a walk-in interview, direct interview post. A walk-in interview for the selection of consultant epidemiologist 1, consultant microbiologist 1, veterinary consultant 1, consultant finance 1, and consultant procurement 1, statistician cum programmer 1, administrative consultant and accounts 1 officer. Each post is required. Last date for this is by 18 August 2021. Your application should be reached. For more details, please visit the official website www.idsp.nic.in. Next department, National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disability, Divyangjan. Friends, it is an admission notice of 2021 to 2021 session. Courses details are like this: MPhil in Rehabilitation Psychology 2 years, Special Education for 2 years, PG Diploma in Early Intervention PGDI 1 year. Last date of receipt application by 30 June 2021 to 13 September 2021. So friends, anyone who desire to do these courses, MPhil, MA, B.Ed or PG in Early Intervention, Special Education, Rehabilitation, Psychology, they can apply. For more details, please visit the official website. Next, from the Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata. Advertisement for the position of Research Associate. Please log on to the institute website saha.ac.in for the above positions in the institutes for educational qualifications, norms and rules and regulations. Last date for submission of application by 31st August 2021. If we talk next department, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Advertisement for the post of Secretary, National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT. For the post of Secretary. For the post of Secretary, it is offline mode applications. You have to fill this application, attach all the documents and send it within the 30 days from this date of application in the advertisement. For eligibilities, we talk for the secretary holding analog post on regular basis, having 5 years service in grade rendered after appointment therein to regular basis in pay level 12, and he should be under the central government of state of union territory administration of state analogous organizations. If we take the next vacancy, Lal Bahadur Shastri, National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie. It is for the Principal Library and Information Officer, PLIO. Eligibility: officers of central government, of state government, of union territories and public sectors undertaking of universities, and upper age limit is 56 years. For Library and Information Officer, LIO, pay level is 11, and eligibility: officer of the central government and having the degree and diploma in master degree in library and information science. For both posts, within the 60 days, you have to send the applications in the given format. It is offline mode applications by 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. Next vacancy, which is most weighted, from the Indian Navy, invites online application from unmarried male candidates for enrollment as a sailor for metric recruitment as a musician 02-2021 batch. If we talk about the educational qualifications, he should matriculate from the recognized board or university, and age is limited between 1st October to 30 September 2024. Age limit is 1st October 1996 to 13 September 2004. Musical abilities: he should have a degree or diploma in musician, and he should have proficiency. If we talk about the pay and allowances, his pay stipend is during the training period 14,600 per month will be given. Selection criteria: due to COVID pandemic is being made on public interest, where approximately 300 candidates will be called for the music test and PFT test. Physical efficiency test will be conducted: 1.6 km run in 7 minutes and 20 squats, push-ups and pull-ups. So those are how to apply. It is an online application mode only. So you have to visit www.joinindiannavy.gov.in from 2nd August to 6th August 2021. The last date of receipt of this online application by 6th August 2021. Last date of online application 6th August 2021. Next department, from National Power Training Institute. It is a admission notice for 2021 to 2021 courses: 1 year postgraduate diploma in course in power plant engineering, 1 year postgraduate engineer courses power plant engineering, and 26 week graduate engineering course thermal condense, and 26 weeks of postgraduate diploma in course in transmission, and 1 year post diploma in course in power plant engineering, and 26-week course, post-diploma course in PG in renewable energy including solar technology. So friends, registration start from 7 July 2021 to 16 August 2021. Anyone who desire and want to do the course and want to take admission, please visit the official website. Next vacancy form, diploma in tool and die making and diploma in mechatronics. Applications are invited in the prescribed form intending candidates for admission 4 years diploma in tool and die making, 3 years diploma in mechatronics courses for session 2021 to 2022. Friends, last date for this applying courses is 14 August 2021. More details, please visit its official website. Next vacancy and department from National Institute of Plant Health Management. It is also admission open for postgraduate diploma in Plant Health Management PGDPHM 2021 to 2022 second semesters. Last date for this first semester and second semester is by 15 September 2021. Last date of receipt application by 16 August 2021. Commencement of examination date is 15 September 2021. Please visit his official website for more details. Next vacancy from National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development from NABARD. This is for Assistant Manager RDBS. Total posts are 148 and age is 21 to 38 between, and graduation with 60% with following discipline: general in any agriculture, degree in agriculture, agriculture engineering, degree in agriculture engineering, animal husbandry, degree in animal husbandry. So next is Assistant Manager Rajbhasha. Total posts are 5. The age is between 21 to 30 years. Bachelor degree in English or Hindi medium or Hindi or English as a compulsory or effective. Minimum 60% marks are required. For Assistant Manager Protocol and Security Services, total posts are 2. Age between 25 to 40 years. Officer of the 5 years of commission service as Army, Navy, Air Force holding a valid ex-serviceman identity card. For Manager RDBS, total posts are 7, 25 to 30 years. On friends, educational qualification required postgraduate degree marks, minimum 60% marks and minimum experience required 3 years. Online application registration and payment will be start from 17 July 2021 to 7 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website nabard.org.careers. Next department from National Rainfield Area Authority, NAS Complex, New Delhi. Filling up the 3 posts for the Senior Technical Assistant in the pay matrix level 6 are application invited. For Senior Technical Assistants, last date for receive this application by 16 August 2021. For more details, please visit nrra.gov.in. Next vacancy from Jawaharlal Nehru Aluminium Research Development and Design Center, Nagpur. It is a recruitment notice advertisement number 02/2021 August 2021 for the post of Scientific Assistant to 1 OBC reserved. Pay level will be 5 and upper age limit will be 30 years. If we talk about the essential qualifications and experience, BSc Diploma in Engineering and Technology of 3 years and during or equivalent with 3 years relevant experience. For the post of Scientific Assistant Grade 1, one post reserved for EWS, pay level will be for 25 years and BSc Diploma in Engineering Technology of 3 years during of equivalent essential qualification required. For post of Junior Assistant, one post OBC and one post unreserved, 2 posts are there, pay level 12, 28 years, graduate with typing speed of 40 words per minute, certificate in computer is required. For more details, please visit his official website, and last date of submission for online application by 24 August 2021. If we talk about the next vacancy from Aeronautical Development Agency, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. That is the post. If we talk AD Autonomous Organization under the for the Ministry of Defence Development, MOD, Government of India, and Design and Development, Air Force, Naval and Light Combat Air Force Tejas. AD has also taken up the design of advanced AMCA combat airplanes. No post of minimum pay is as given below. For post of PE1, PE2 and PE3, minimum experience required 2 years, 4 years and 8 years respectively. Vacancies are for PE1 45, PE2 that is 17 years and PE3, that is 5. Total posts vacant are 68. Now, for more details, please visit his official website at the eada.gov.in or rac.gov.in. Last date for this by 8th July 2021. Next vacancy from Delhi Technology Department of Biotechnology. Applications are invited for the post of JRF in the DST sponsored project Integrated Farming of Lates Clarified or Microbiome, that is rosebuds. Last date of issue of this application within 20 days of these applications. Qualifications required: biotechnology or biochemistry, life science, minimum 55% marks are required. Next department is Satyavati College Evening. Name of the post: administrative officer. Number of post 1, person with disability, and pay level will be 10. For librarian, 1 post unreserved, academic pay level 10, and director physical education pay unreserved 1 and academic pay level 10. For more details, please visit satyavati.educate.ac.in and last date of receipt by 21st August 2021. Next department from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Hotel Management, Catering, Nutrition. This is employment notice. Post of accountant 1 on deputation unreserved, pay scale will be pay level 6 and eligible on deputations in, and age limit is as per the government rules and norms. Method of selections will be written test is there and skill test is there. Last date of receipt this application by 21 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. For more details, please visit the official website and download the Performa. It is offline mode and send it on the given address. Next department from National Dope Testing Laboratory, NDTL, Government of India, New Delhi. For the post of Scientist D, essential qualification: PhD in chemical, in biology, pharmacology science and relevant fields from the UGC AICTE approved recognized university. 5 years experience post is required. For Scientist C, 1 post unreserved category. For Scientist C, essential qualification: PhD in chemistry, biology and pharmaceutical sciences in relevant fields by UGC approved, and post qualification expert is required. For the Scientist B post number 6, essential qualification: Scientist B, master degree in chemical, biological, farm science B and recognized university. For more details, please visit ndtlindia.com and last date for receipt application within the 28 days from the date of publications in the employment news. Next vacancy from Serious Fraud Investigation Office. Notice for the extension of last date. It is by 20 to 26 March 2021. Applications were invited for Senior Assistant Director, Custom and Central Excise. Tentative post were 1 is hereby date is exchanged is now it is up to 20 August 2021 has been extended. Next vacancy from the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. Vacancy circulations. Use vacancies are there: storekeeper 1 post, radiographer 1 post, staff car driver 1 post, ordinary grade and staff car driver grade 2 1 post, data entry operator DEO 1 post and assistant administrative officer 3 posts. Last date of this receipt applications. And for educational qualifications, please visit his official website ibsnna.gov.in and it is offline mode. You have to download the Performa from given its website and send it on the given address within the 30 days from this date of advertisement. Next vacancy from Cantonment Board Committee. This Cantonment Board Committee Assistant Teacher 1 unreserved and age limit is between 18 to 25 years and Minimum qualifications is 12th or equivalent with 50% marks or 2 years diploma in elementary education by NCET approved. Safai Karamchari, number of posts 3, OBC, ST and unreserved each 1 post, 4th class passed. Male ward servant, unreserved 1, 10th class pass. For more details, please visit his official website, and last date of receipt this application by 31st August 2021. Next vacancy from Delhi Transport Corporation, Government of India, New Delhi. For Senior Manager Electrical, 1 post, Manager Civil and Manager Electrical, 1 post each. If we talk about the educational essential qualification for the Senior Manager Electrical, degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university or equivalent, 5 years experience in providing repairing and maintenance in electrical and installations for industrial and commercial residential buildings. For Manager Civils, degree in civil engineering from a recognized university, 3 years experience is required in maintenance of industrial and residential and commercial building. For Manager Electrical, essential qualifications, degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university and 3 years he should have experience. The last date of receipt these applications is by 9 August 2021. It is offline mode. You have to visit its official website tc.nic.in and download the performer and send it in the given address within the due date. Next vacancy from Sainik School, Nalanda. It is a recruitment of administrative staff on regular basis. Name of the post is LDC, SC 1, Schedule Caste, Post 1, and essential qualifications should have matriculation pass or equivalent and qualification from a recognized university. Age between 18 to 50 years, pay level will be 12. Last date of receipt this application by 9 August 2021. For more details and its performer, please visit sainikischool.nalanda.bih.nic.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. It is a admission notice. Important application where that in view of the prevailing pandemic condition, Directorate of General Training extend the last date of receipt the application through proper channel for the post of Deputy Director Senior Time Scale on deputy basis. The last date for applying the post of Deputy Director in Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship by within the 45 days from the date of application of this notice in the employment newspaper. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Commandant, the Maratha Light Infantry Regimental Center, Belgaum. Employment notice, that is the post for steno, number of post 1, essential qualifications required 12 pass or equivalent, age limit 18 to 25 years. Next post for clerk, number of post 1, 12 pass, essential qualifications and 45 years and 50 years in case of SC/ST. Cook for 8 post, matriculation required 18 to 25 years. Barbers, number of post 1, matriculation or equivalent. Safai wala, number of post 3, matriculation or equivalent. Bootmaker, number of post 1, matriculation or equivalents. It is offline mode. You have to fill this performer, attach all the documents and send it on given the address before due date, means within the 21 days from the date of publishing in the newspaper. Next vacancy from the National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. That is the Manager Technical, post 3, Manager Administration, number of post 7, Manager Information and Technology, number of post 2, Manager Legal, number of post 3, Manager Environment, number of post 1. Pay level for all is 11. Last date for by 16 August 2021. Your application should be reached. For more details, please visit its official website nhi.gov.in. Next vacancy from Indian Institute of Technology. It is an advertisement notice for the application are invited for the post of Junior Assistant, number of posts 73 posts. Pay matrix will be level 3. For the complete details, please visit his official website litism.ac.in by 31st August 2021. For using the non-faculty recruitment module, you have to send the applications. for the post of junior assistant. Next, for Department of Agriculture and Corporations and Farmer Welfare, the last date of receipt of application for the post of Joint Director Extension, Director of Extension is hereby extended 60 days from the date of this publication in the advertisement. Please visit his official website agricoop.nic.in for more details. Next department, from Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission, New Delhi. Vacancies are for Electricity Ombudsman, number of post 1. For दूसरा advisor English, number of post 1. For second is a chairperson, number of post 1, chairperson number of post 1 and chairperson number of 1 each. For the consumer, chairpersons for the Office of Consumer Grievance Redressal, Consumer Grievance Redressal from BSES and Consumer Grievance Redressal for Tata Power for each office. Age limit is 62 years, not more than 62 years. For more details, please visit his official website and send it the applications on the given address within the 30 days from the date of his publications in the advertisement in the newspaper. Next vacancy from NTPC. Recruitment of the experience for professionals Limited. NTPC Limited is India's largest integrated energy company with installed category of 66,085 megawatt. Name of the post of applications are invited for the executives commercial, 14 posts, minimum for 3 years. Qualification required for executive commercial, degree in engineering. Experience required 3 years, and for the upper age limit is 35 years. Name of the post second is executive consultancy for O&M, 1 post for 3 years. Experience required 3 years. Essential qualification BE, BTech in mechanical or power engineering. Number 3 post is executive consultancy for engineering, number of post 1 for 3 years. Qualification BE, BTech in mechanical engineering with at least 60% marks. Experience 3 years required. For 4th post is executive consultancy for project monitoring, number of post 1 for 3 years. Qualification required BE, BTech with at least 60% marks. Experience required 3 years. Name 5th post is executive business analytics, that is number of post 1 for 3 years. Next post is number of post is 6, that is for senior executive solar, 1 post for 3 years. Essential qualification degree in engineering in any discipline with at least 60% marks. Upper age limit is 56 years. Next for name of the post senior executive company secretary, number of post 1 for 3 years. Experience required is 20 years experience of company secretarial, and essential qualification member of ICSI, Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Upper age limit 56 years. Next post is executive senior corporate communications, number of post 1 for 3 years. Essential qualification postgraduate degree in postgraduate diploma in communications, advertising and communication management. Experience required for 20 years. For post qualifications, upper age limit is 56 years. Next post is executive clean technology, number of post 1 for 1 year. Experience required 5 years. For post qualifications and qualifications is degree in engineering technology in any discipline with 60% marks. The executive commercial, number of posts total are 14. Executive consultancy, number of posts 3. Executive business analyst, number of post 1. Senior executive solar, number of post 1. Senior executive company secretary, number of post 1. Senior executive corporate communication, number of post 1. And executive clean technology, number of post 1 respectively. The last date of receipt this application within the 30 days from the date of publications in the newspaper. And commencement of online applications by 23rd July 2021, last date by 6 August 2021. Next vacancy from Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Directorate General of Shipping. Post name is number of post stenographer grade 2, number of post 2. Essential qualifications General Central Services Group B non-gazetted, holding analog post on regular basis, minimum 5 years experience required, educational qualifications, higher secondary and its equivalent from a recognized university, and age should not be more than 56 years for stenographer grade 2. For the post of upper division plus, number of post 5 in MMD Chennai, and classification of post general central service group C post non-gazetted, and educational qualification is required higher secondary or its equivalent from a recognized board or university. Upper age limit is 56 years as on date of notifications. For more details, please visit his official website, and performa of application can be downloaded from his official website mmdchennai.in, and download it and send it on given address before due date within the 30 days. Next vacancy from Central Employment Exchange. That is the Central Employment Exchange required from the post of. Next department from Central Employment Exchange, advertisement number SPL 02/2021. Applications are invited for the following post by various employers indicated in the advertisement, and the last date is within the 60 days from the date of advertisement in the prescribed format given in the end of the advertisement. So friends, it is the post for psychologist group B, serial number 1, and the last date of this within the 60 days you have to send the applications. Designations for the post is psychologist, and qualifications required as he is a psychologist, MBBS is psychologist, he should be PG, and desirable is a postgraduate diploma in psychology or diploma in medical. Second post is full durations for the post is not given, not applicable. This is the performa. You have to fill the performa and send it within the 60 days from the date of applications. It is a performa for applications. You have to fill and attach all the requisite documents. Next is the admission notice for 2021 to 2022 session by National Power Training Institute. It is for postgraduate diploma in transmission and distributions PGDC and TND, and postgraduate diploma in power plant engineering PDLPP. Last date for receipt this application by 1st September 2020. Next, from admission notice from 2021 to 2022 session, Ministry of Skill Development Entrepreneurship. For this, training in skills CITS. Last date by 21st August 2020. For more details, please visit his official website nimionline.admission.in. Next, recruitment notice from National Institute of Wind Energy. That is the Palikranai, Chennai. Recruitment notifications. National Institute of Wind Energy is the technical aim of ministry. Applications are invited for the one junior research fellow on contract basis for a specific time bound. For more details for educational qualifications, norms, rules and regulations of duties, please visit his official website niewe.res.in/careers.php. Last date of issue online application by 30 August 2021. Next department, Petroleum Conservation Research Association, Government of India. Name of the post manager, state, number of post 1, manager admin, number of post 1. Last date for issued this application within the 30 days from the date of these applications. For more details for its essential qualifications, rules and norms, please visit its official website pcra.org. Next vacancy from Archaeological Survey of India, Administration I section. Filling up the one post for Director, Epigraphy, Sanskrit Dravidam Inscription. Group A, gazetted or non-ministerial in pay level 12 for the pay matrix 78,800 in Archaeological Survey of India. For the Director, Epigraphy, Sanskrit and Dravidian Inscription, Group A, gazetted non-ministerial pay level 12. Last date of this receipt, this application is within the 30 days from the date of these applications. And friends, this is the offline mode. You have to fill this performa and send it on given the address. Correction required. The last date of receipt this application is 60 days from the date of this advertisement in publications. So friends, next vacancy is from Ministry of Food Processing Industries, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the post of Director in Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology IIFTT, Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. For this post, please visit his official website for more details and norms. And last date of this receipt application within the 45 days from the date of issue this advertisement in the employment news, along with the attested copies of annual assessment reports. Please send it on given the address. Next vacancy from the Central Council for Research in Siddha, that is the Chennai. Name of the post Research Officer Siddha. Number of post 1 unreserved. Maximum age is limit is 40 years. Second post for Research Officer Medicines. Number of post 1 unreserved. Maximum age 40 years. For number of post 3 Research Officer Pathology. Number of post 1 unreserved. Upper age limit is 40 years. Last date of this application for the above all posts is within the 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. And friends, please visit his official website siddhacouncil.com for more details and for his educational qualifications. Next department and vacancy from Secunderabad Cantonment Board, Secunderabad. Name of the post for Assistant Cantonment Planner. Number of post 4. Essential qualifications is required passed in degree B, BTech Civil. Assistant Engineer Civil. Number of post 2. Passed degree in B, BTech in Civil. Sanitary Inspector. Number of post 1. Reserved for SC Scheduled Caste. Essential qualification Bachelor degree in Biological Science from any recognized university. Assistant Medical Officer AMO. Number of post 5. That is General for 2, OBC 2 and SC 1. MBBS degree in any institute college recognized in Medical Council of India. Pharmacist Allopathy. Number of post 2. D Pharma passed. Nurses. Number of post 2. BSc Nursing with 3 years in General Nursing and Midwifery course passed. Lab Assistant. Number of post 1 under General for 1. 12 pass standard in Biology, Physics and Chemistry with an degree or diploma in Laboratory Assistant. Dresser. Number of post 5. 12th standard pass with science subject. Ward Servant. Number of post 2. 10th pass from the recognized board. 1 year experience as a ward servant from a recognized hospital. So friends, last date of receipt applications and for his essential qualification more norms, please visit his official website and Cantonment Board recruit.org and send them in the given address before due date. Next department from MSM, Micro Small Medium Enterprises Technology Center Rohtak. It is a registration open for the courses of Advanced Diploma in Tool and Die Making and Diploma in Mechatronics for 4 years and 3 years courses respectively. Essential eligibility criteria for this is 12th or 12th pass. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from National Rehabilitation University of Lucknow. Name of the post is Professor. It is for academic pay level 14 and Associate Professor, Assistant Professor academic pay level 12. For essential name of the post for an specialization for Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. Professor Audiology, Speech Language and Associate Professor Audiology and Speech Language, number of post 1 each. Assistant Professor Audiology, number of post 2 and Assistant Professor Clinical Psychology, number of post 1 and Assistant Professor for Linguistics, number of post 1. For Bachelor and Prosthetics and Orthotics BPO, Professor Prosthetic and Orthotics, number of post 1. Professor Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, number of post 1 and Associate Professor Prosthetics and Orthotics and Assistant Professor for Prosthetics and Orthotics for Orthotics, number of post 1 each. The last date of receive this application for above all posts by 19 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy is a notification from National Fishery Development Board for the vacancy circulation to fill up the technical post in NFBD Hyderabad on deputation basis. For Executive Director TAC 3 and pay band will be 4. For senior executive tech, number of posts 3. Total posts are like 6. For more details, please visit his official website nfbd.gov.in. Next vacancy from Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation Limited. Name of the post Deputy Engineer PST. Deputy on contract about 3 years. Total posts are 2. Deputy Engineer E&M, number of post 5. Junior Engineering grade 2, number of post 2, and Junior Engineer E&M, number of post 10. Like 19 posts total are there. For his educational qualification, age should be as on 1st July 2021 will be counted. So friends, for more details, please visit his official website mmrci.com for its essential qualifications, rule regulations, and selection criteria. Before online registration will be end on 31st August 2021. Next vacancy from Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal. It is a post for the personal assistant in the pay level of 6 for the Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal. For personal assistant, last date will be 60 days from the date of this application. Please visit his official website for more details mowr.nic.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Culture, National Museum, Janpat, New Delhi. It is the post for curator, lecturing and educators for Group A gazetted non-ministerial in pay level 11. You have to send the application within the 60 days from the given date, and it is an offline mode. You have to send the given address before 60 days. Please visit his official website nationalmuseumindia.gov.in. Next vacancy from Energy Efficiency Service Limited, creating an energy efficient world. Appointment for the Chief Risk Officer, Cluster Controller Finance and Senior Manager Finance for Energy Efficiency Service Limited. If we talk about more details, Chief Risk Officers, regular number of posts 2, age is on as on today, last date of submission application is 47 years. If we talk about the essential qualifications, is postgraduate full-time in business management. Cluster Controller Finance for the post, total age 47 years and total posts are 6. Essential qualifications, application should be post accountant chartered in CA, full-time MBA in finance. Senior Manager Finance for the post, age is 47 years, number of posts is 12. The application should be post accountant, chartered accountant and full-time MBA finance, full-time PGDM finance. So friends, a mode of application, submission application is online. Please visit his official website eesindia.org.in and last date of is 10 August 2021. Next vacancy from Institute of Agri-Business Management, Bikaner. That is admission notice for MBA in Agri-Business Management, Srinagar, Swami Keshwanand, Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner. Last date of issuing application by 8 August 2021 and receiving of the application offline by 12 August 2021. So friends, you have to apply online and hard copy should reach by 12 August 2021. Next vacancy from the New Delhi Municipal Council, Palika Kembri, New Delhi. That is a Secretary Establishment Branch, filling up the post for Chief Vigilance Officer in NDMC on deputation basis, pay level 30. For the post of Chief Vigilance Officer, his last date is 15 July 2021, starting and last date 30 August 2021. Next is Sainik School, Imphal, Manipur. Name of the post is Lab Assistant. Essential number of post 1, essential qualifications 10+2 and diploma degree in lab assistant and work computer experience is required. For general employees, regular basis, number of post 2, 1 for SC and 1 for OBC, essential qualification matriculations and desirable multi-skilled candidate with experience and candidate acquiring high qualifications. Next, for the general employees contractual positions, number of post 2 for SC, 1 for ST, 4 for OBC and 6 for unreserved, essential qualification matriculations. So friends, You have to submit the application offline within the 30 days from the date of these publications. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Department of Agriculture, Corporations and Farmers Welfare, National Rain-Fed Area Authority, New Delhi. Doston, this vacancy is for filling up the one post for Director Animal Husbandry and Fisheries in the pay matrix level 13A on deputation, including short-term contractual basis. For the last date for this is by 16 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next is for Directorate General Border Security Force, New Delhi. It is the post for the Captain or Pilot, Commandant Pilot and Senior Commandant Pilot and Deputy Commandant. Pay level are 12 and 13 and 11 respectively. For engineers and for logistic officers, please visit his official website. Total vacancies are 59, and this is the for offline mode. You have to fill the applications and send it on the given address by within the 30 days from the date of these applications. Next vacancy from the 56 Koyu ASC Superintendent Type G, Bangalore. For the post of, please refer the employment notice 17 to 23 July that regarding the employment. The age is correction is there. Is age limit 18 to 25, read as 18 to 28 years. This is the informations that corrigendum. Next vacancy from the Press Council of India, that is New Delhi. Vacancy notice for the post of Principal Private Secretary, that is PPS, number of post 1. Eligibility, we talk about the person holding one post for Principal Private Secretary in analog post for scale of pay level 11. Last date for receive these applications within the 60 days from the date of this publication. Offline mode, please download the application pro forma from presscouncil.nic.in and send it the given address before due date. Next vacancy from Sahitya Academy. Name of the post is driver. Age limit is 30 years. Essential qualification matriculations. For last date, please visit his official website. And last date is 30 days from the date of his publications. And official website www.sahityaacademy.gov.in. Next from SJV Limited, career opportunity in growing organization. That is a post for the civil field engineer, electrical field engineer, mechanical field engineer and IT field engineer. Number of posts 30, 20, 10 and 4 respectively. So like that total posts are 64. So post dosto, for last date for this applying this civil, electrical, mechanical and IT engineering, that is the within the 30 days from the date of these publications. Means date of commencement online 28 July 2021 and closing is 17 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website sjvn.nic.in. Next vacancy from Directorate General Shastra Seema Bal. It is a also corrigendum. It is a correction letter, correction informations. It is a additional JAG commandant. Vacancies number 2 is here read as 3 and deputy JAG vacancies number of post 4 read 5. Next vacancy from Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Income Tax Appellate invite application for the one post of Assistant Director Official Language and 2 posts for Senior Hindi Translation on deputation basis. Please visit his official website itat.nic.in for more details. Next vacancy from Bureau of Police Research Development, Ministry of Home Affairs. Friends, huge vacancies are from the Bureau of Police Research Development, Ministry of Home Affairs. Deputy Directors, number of post 4, Principal Scientific Officer Uniform and Account Treatment, number of post 1, Principal Scientific Officer Electronic, number of post 1, Principal Scientific Officer Ballistic Explosives, Life Science, Weapon, Traffic Translation and Building and Design, number of post 1 each. For Superintendent of Police, number of post 4, for Assistant Director Legal, number of post 1, for Uniform Accountant, Senior Scientific Officer, Ballistic, Life Science, Weapon and Building Designs, number of post 1 each. For research officers, number of post 4. Research officer, number of post 1. Junior analyst, lead editors, and ALIO and library officer, number of post 1 each. For scientific assistant, life science, building and design, uniform, accountant, electronics, operations, weapons and traffic, number of post 2 each. For senior investigators, number of post 2. Legal assistant, number of post 1. Stenographer, grade 2, number of post 3. Draftsman, grade 2, number of post 1. Computer operator, manager, grade 2. Library assistant, constable, number of post 1 each, and constable, number of post 2. So friend, for CAPT Bhopal, same vacancies are there. Please go through is commanded, means CDTI Hyderabad, CDTI Chandigarh, CDTI Kolkata, CDTI Jaipur, CDTI Ghaziabad. For all these posts have been created. So total posts like that are 17 and 18, 10, 4, 10 and 17 are respectively. For all these posts, please visit his official website and apply before the 60 days from the date of this advertisement in the employment news. Next vacancy from National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration deemed to be university. Recruitment to the post of Deputy Publication Officer, inviting online application for the post of Deputy Publication Officer, number of post 1. Classifications Group A, scale pay level 11. Essential qualification graduate. Next vacancy from National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration deemed to university. Recruitment into the post of Deputy Publication Officer, inviting online applications. Number of post 1. Deputy Publication Officer, pay level will be 11. Age for direct recruitment not more than 45 years. Essential qualification graduate degree with 55% marks or equivalent. For more details, please visit his official website. It is offline mode. You have to send the application within the 21 days from the date of this publication on the given address. Please visit his official website and download the Performa application Performa. Send it on given address within the 21 days. Next vacancy from it is a Board of Apprenticeship School Northern Region. For Deputy Director, number of post 1. Assistant Director, number of post 3. Assistant, number of post 1. Junior Stenographer, number of post 1 General. UDC, number of post 1 General. LDC, number of post 1 and reserved for PWD. And MTS, Multitasking Staff, number of post 3. 2 for General, 1 for OBC. Last date for this all above post is receipt application is 30 August 2021. For more details and its essential qualifications and rule and norms and selection procedures, please visit his official website boatnr.org. Next vacancy from Tata Power DOL, Tata Power Delhi Distributions Limited. It is an admission notice. Who wants to 100 hours digitally utilize the professional online courses, distribution system, online training courses, and please visit his official website for admission before 23rd August 2021. Next vacancy from National Disaster Management Authority, New Delhi. For the name of the post is Project Coordinator on contractual basis, number of post 1. Essential qualifications required master degree in structural, earthquake and engineering disaster management. Price limit is 50 years. Next vacancy is Project Coordinator, contractual basis, number of post 1. MTech in structural engineering from a recognized university. Price limit is 50 years. Please visit his official website for more details and norms. It is offline mode. You have to send it application within the 30 days from the date of publication of advertisement in the employment news on the given address. Next vacancy from Sahitya Academy. Name of the post is Stenographer, grade 2, number of post 1. Location of that is the regional office Bangalore. Pay scale, pay level is 4 as per 7 CPC. Age limit is 30 years. Method of recruitment, this is direct recruitment. Essential qualifications 10 +2 equivalent or 80 word per minute speed in shorthand as a good speed in typing Hindi as well as in English. Please visit his official website. It is offline mode. You have to send the application on the given address. within the 30 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. News Digest. National News. Google, Facebook, Twitter appoint compliance officers in India. DRDO successfully tests new generation Akash missile MPA-TGM. Cabinet approval for Central University in Ladakh. IIT Kanpur to have next-gen broadcasting technology center. International Digest. 5 nations alone producing 75% of world's COVID jabs. Ariel Henry sworn in as a new PM of Haiti. Liverpool stripped of World Heritage status. Economic news. IBBI amends Code of Transparency in Corporate Insolvency. Cabinet approves Rs 6,322 crore specialty steel PLI scheme. Sport Digest. Mongolia, Tajikistan, Switzerland are ICC's new members. ICC announces Men's T20 World Cup group. Australia, Brisbane to host 2032 Summer Olympics. So friends, it was the Employment News Weekly, New Delhi, 31st July to 6 August 2021 in details. See you next week with next week employment news. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.